Let's start with a simple game. Take a pen and paper and imagine that you are flipping a coin. It can be head or tail with 50-50% probability, right? It's important, don't flip a real coin, just imagine that you flip a coin, then write down whether you thought it was a head or tail. Then repeat this 19 times more. Just pause the video and please do this little coin flip simulation. It takes literally no more than 30 seconds. Okay, in this game, you were a random generator. And most probably, you have something like this on your paper. I play this game in live workshops as well, and I asked the participants to do this task and then tell me their results, which I wrote on a whiteboard. Here's a small sample of it. If you are like most of the live workshop participants, you have something similar on your paper too. Am I right? Now let me use a real online random generator to generate 20 coin flips. Here I flipped the Luxembourgian €1 coin, although I'm pretty sure that nobody ever will take this course from Luxembourg. Anyway, this is what I got. Can you spot the difference? The coin flip series generated by the real random generator have 6 tails in a row, 5 heads in a row multiple times, one time even 8 heads in a row. Human-generated coin flips contain mostly 3-4 heads or tails in a row, but nothing more extreme. Because the human brain automatically thinks that more than that would be unrealistic to be random. But as the example shows, even 8 heads in a row can show up by chance. Well, if you think that I cheated, just click the link below this video and generate a few random coin flips by yourself. You will see the same pattern. By the way, you can see the same in casinos at the roulette table. On a long night, it's not uncommon to see 10 or 15 blacks in a row, even multiple times. Gamblers say the casino is cheating, but in fact, it's just statistics. With a big enough sample size, an extreme event like that can and will occur. Anyway, the point of this video is that, as you can see, the human brain is a terrible random generator. Our brain is wired in a way that it tends to underestimate the probability of something very unlikely happening, but when something unlikely happens by chance, it rationalizes it and says that it happened for a reason. Lucky for us, we usually won't have to assign or test our control groups by ourselves. We won't have to do randomization. As I have said, it's done for us by A/B testing tools, and that's great. Still, there is an essential part of A/B testing where the tools won't help you and your brain can still trick you. That's when you evaluate your experiment results. And that's why knowing the basics of statistics is important for us. We are all humans, we might get biased, but when we do, numbers can help us to see more clearly. Let's see how.